Character sketch of Hassan. Hassan is portrayed as a bright but undisciplined young man from an affluent background, where he is the only son. He is tall, handsome, and blessed with a good memory, yet his academic journey is marked by a consistent lack of attendance and disregard for regular classes. Despite his intelligence, Hassan's academic success is solely due to his ability to study just before exams and excel in tests without truly engaging with the material. Hassan has a charming personality, often able to convince his teachers to pardon his lack of attendance by appealing to their sense of compassion. However, his actions are indicative of someone who takes things for granted, particularly the leniency of his teachers and the support of his parents. His father is busy and dismissive, believing that life will eventually teach Hassan its lessons, while his mother is worried and saddened by his lack of discipline. Later in life, Hassan's careless habits and lack of dedication to his studies and work catch up with him. His attitude remains unchanged, leading to failures in his career and his relationships. By the time he meets his former teacher again, he has lost multiple jobs and is left with a modest position selling educational software door to door. Despite this, Hassan displays a certain humility, recognizing his mistakes and admitting to his flaws. He is aware that his situation is a result of his own actions, yet he struggles with the idea of change, hinting at a resigned belief in the difficulty of overcoming long-standing habits. Hassan is a complex character, intelligent and likable, yet flawed by his lack of commitment and discipline. His story serves as a lesson on the importance of taking responsibilities seriously and the long-term consequences of neglecting one's potential and opportunities.